Hello guys, here is another video showing you easier ways to get your hair styled. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the packing gel technique without using the packing gel products. As easy as it may sound, it is actually very much tricky because the gel helps the hair to sleep properly and to look sleek. Over the years, this gel product has been used in styling this hair technique from time to time, and it can be used to achieve different styles depending on what you want to achieve, but with time, if people start find out that it has different types of reactions on people's hairs, some hair breakage, some itchy scalp, and the rest. So in that case, most stylists find other techniques to achieving the up gel look. So let's see how we can do that without the gel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment as you enjoy the video. So first of all, you have to comb out the hair properly. Make sure you comb every section of the hair. Sometimes you can do the combing by yourself, but in this case, my client has a very painful scalp, so she insisted she does that by herself. So next up, you use a blow dryer with a blow drying brush to blow dry the edges of the hair. It necessarily wouldn't be the whole section of the hair, but at least the front areas, especially her edges and the areas which are at the front. Then you get a thick thread, you pass a thick thread round and also have it at hand, because you are going to be using that to tie the hair down when you have held it on properly. So this a section of doing this, which is trying to comb the hair evenly and also get the hair to be properly packed and held. You have to take your time to do it. Why? Because it has every possibility that there are some hairs that are still there that would not sleep very well. So by doing so, you end up picking every one of it and putting them in the right section for you to grab and hold properly. While you are doing this, please do ensure that your client is comfortable with the way you are tying. Don't over tie, because if she's not comfortable with the tightening of the thread, then that means she will enjoy the hairdo. And one of the beauty of the hair is that the comfort of your clients is also very much prioritized. So moving on, you have to hold the hair strongly, firmly, not strongly actually, so you wouldn't tie it. You can see she's already complaining of how tight it is, so I had to relieve her a little from the way I was tightening it. Please make sure you communicate with your client. Ask her, is this okay, is this too tight, is this too loose, so that you won't end up doing your whole stress and then going back to redo it again, because she wouldn't be comfortable. So I've tied it down, and I'm still going to free it up a little from the behind and make sure that she's very much comfortable. I'm using the sprit gel, which is the first product I'll be spraying on her hair, and I'll be spraying it over the whole section. This spray gel is more like what I'll be using basically for the hair. Why I use spray gel, some people use what do you call it, the melting spray. Why I use spray gel is because spray gel is a little bit mild, and with time it can easily go off, but on the other hand, the melting spray is very difficult to go off. So going on, I use my small tail comb to comb the hair again, to brush it up from the top, and this I will do over and over again. You see me doing it over and over again. I will still have to spray again. I told you this product is what you use mostly for it. And sometimes, because I already used the comb gel to do the whole thing in the first time. That is the blow drying brush and the blow dry itself. Now my hair brush will come in to brush the hair down, and the essence of doing all this is to make sure that the hair is sleek and every strand of this hair is lying perfectly well. So I still have to spray again, and if you watch, most of the time when I was spraying this spray gel, I'm spraying it at the edges because that is where mostly starts lifting when you are done with your packing gel. And you know I'm doing this for a frontal install, so I need it to be very much sleek before I start my frontal installation. So next up, I use my got to be edge control. Is actually very active, and it doesn't leave a white updo later, white residue I mean, because this actually sits in very well and it's very comfortable to use, you know and you have to use it just a little bit of it to brush off the hair very well. You're not packing too much of it, you're just using a little bit of it to brush the hair, and this is also going to help the hair to slick down very well. So after doing the got to be edge control, I use the thread again to tie it over again. Remember the first time I tied it, it was a bit tight and I still have to tie it again. The reason I'm tying it again is to ensure that the new hairs that were still flying away, I'm going to hold them down. Now here is the final look, and you can see how sleek this is looking. This is actually very much easier and very much more effective. It saves your client the stress of hair breakage and also the stress of itchy scalp and the rest. So I hope you'll be trying this out, and if you do, please let me know how the result comes out.